Hello all and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will solve a SQL interview question. First, let us go through the question and try to understand the question. And then we will go through the schema of the table that we are going to use and then we will write solution for the same. So our question is, write a SQL query to find customers who have placed orders for more than one distinct product. Now we are given a table called as orders table. Execute this and we will once again go through the question and try to understand the question in a more clear manner. Execute this and we have a table which is called orders table and which has got order id column, customer id column, product id, quantity corresponding to the corresponding order id, then order date. So these are the columns which are available. Now in the question it's given that we have to write a query to find the customers who placed orders for more than one distinct product. So when we go through the table we can see that we only have to use basically two columns which are customer id and product id. Now from these two columns, we have to identify the customers who bought more than one distinct product. When going through the table, we can see that customer ID 101 bought two different products, which are 201 and 202. Then coming to the order ID 3, we can see that customer ID 102 bought only one distinct product, which is 203. Then again coming down to record 4 and 5, we can see that customer ID 103 bought 201 product ID two times. So when we analyze the table, we can see that only customer ID 101 is buying two different product or two distinct product. So in our result, we should only have customer ID 101. Let us start writing query for the same. We will see two different methods to obtain the solution. First one will be based on a subquery and the second one will be based on a function in which we can get the result in a single step without writing any subquery. So we will start with a select clause, select. This will be the first method in which we will make use of the subquery concept. The first column we require is customer ID. Then we are going to make use of the count aggregate function, open and close parenthesis and write a distinct of product ID inside the parenthesis. So this will count the distinct product ID with respect to each customer ID and we'll give the column name as distinct underscore products or even simple products should be fine. Products. We will give the column name as products and this is taken from orders underscore table. So orders table. Now we will have to write a group by clause also. Group by customer ID. Customer underscore ID. Now execute this and we will get a result where we have two columns. The first column is customer ID and the second column will be product. From here we can see that whichever customer bought more than one distinct product. Now based on the result we obtained, we will place the query inside a parenthesis and we'll consider this query as a subquery and the alias name for the query is result. Now we will write a select on the subquery. Select, we require only customer who is buying more than one distinct product. So from, now we will have to write a where clause on the subquery. So where products should be greater than 1. Now execute this and we will get customer ID for which customer is buying more than one distinct product. Execute this and we have the customer ID 101. So this is the result which we were looking to obtain. So this is the first method in which we made use of the concept of subquery. Now we will write a second method in which we are going to directly make use of a function and in a single step we will get the same result. So we will start with a select clause, select. We require customer ID. Now we will write the from clause. From the table orders underscore tab. Now we will write a having clause. So before having clause, we will have to write a group by clause. Group by customer underscore ID. Now we will write a having clause. Having count of distinct product underscore ID should be greater than 1. Now execute this and we should get the exact same result which is 101. Execute this and we have the result 101. So what happened here is, here we are using the having function in order to count the distinct product ID with respect to each customer ID, and whenever that customer ID is having distinct product ID greater than 1, we will have that particular customer ID in our final result. Otherwise, the customer ID will not be appearing in the final result. So using two different methods, we saw that how we can get the same result. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.